Good morning, young scientists. Welcome back to another exciting science class. In our previous lessons, we learned about roots, stems, and different types of plants. Today, we are going to meet the most hardworking part of the plant, the leaf. Did you know that a leaf is like a tiny kitchen? It can prepare food without using a stove. How is that possible? Today, we will learn the secret of photosynthesis, discover why leaves are green, explore the parts of a flower, and understand how plants make our lives better every day. Let's begin our exciting journey. Today we have 6 exciting goals. First, we will learn the 5 important parts of a leaf. Second, we will understand photosynthesis step by step. Third, we will discover the job of chlorophyll. Fourth, we will learn many uses of plants. Fifth, we will identify the parts of a flower. Finally, we will solve today's classwork questions together. Ready to become leaf experts? Let's begin. Look carefully at the leaf. It may look simple, but it has many important parts. The broad, flat part is called the lamina. This is where the leaf catches sunlight. The thick line in the middle is called the midrib. It gives support to the leaf. The smaller lines are called veins. They carry water and food inside the leaf. Can you see tiny holes? They are called stomata. They are so tiny that we cannot see them without a microscope. Plants breathe through these tiny pores. Finally, the petiole, or stalk, connects the leaf to the stem. Let's say all 5 parts together. Lamina, midrib, veins, stomata, petiole. Excellent. Now let's discover why leaves are green. Inside every green leaf is a special substance called chlorophyll. Can everyone say chlorophyll? Very good. Chlorophyll is a green pigment. It gives leaves their green color. But that's not its only job. Chlorophyll catches sunlight. Without sunlight, the leaf cannot make food. Without food, the plant cannot survive. Leaves also have a waxy layer called the cuticle. It helps stop water from drying out. The veins carry water and food. The stomata help the leaf breathe. And chlorophyll collects sunlight. Every part has an important job. Now let's learn one of the most amazing things in science. It has a big name, photosynthesis. Don't worry, it is actually very easy. Plants make their own food. Let's see how. First, the roots absorb water from the soil. Second, the leaves take carbon dioxide from the air through tiny stomata. Third, sunlight shines on the leaf. Chlorophyll captures the sunlight. Then something amazing happens. The leaf makes food called glucose. At the same time, it releases oxygen into the air. Let's remember it like a recipe. Sunlight, water, carbon dioxide become food and oxygen. Can we all repeat? Sunlight plus water plus carbon dioxide equals food plus oxygen. Wonderful. That is photosynthesis. Now let's think about our daily life. How many things around us come from plants? The answer is many. Plants give us food, like fruits, vegetables, rice, and spices. Plants give us medicines. Neem, tulsi, aloe vera. These help us stay healthy. Plants also give us timber. Wood is used to make tables, chairs, doors, and paper. Plants even help make clothes. Cotton comes from plants. Jute also comes from plants. Plants give us oxygen to breathe. Without plants, life would not be possible. Trees also help bring rain and reduce floods. Plants truly are our best friends. Now let's learn how new plants are made. Every flower has different parts. The colorful petals attract bees and butterflies. The stamen is the male part of the flower. It produces pollen. The pistil is the female part. It helps produce seeds. The sepal protects the flower before it blooms. Now watch what happens. A flower is pollinated. Then it changes into a fruit. Inside the fruit are seeds. When a seed gets water, air, and sunlight, it sprouts into a new plant. So the life cycle is very simple. Flower, fruit, seed, new plant. Let's say it together. Flower, fruit, seed, new plant. Now it's your turn. Let's answer some questions. Question 1. What gives leaves their green color? Correct. Chlorophyll. Question 2. What are the tiny pores on the leaf called? Excellent. Stomata. Question 3. Leaves are called the food factory. Very good. Question 4. Complete this equation. Sunlight, water, carbon dioxide become glucose, and oxygen. Fantastic! You are becoming excellent scientists. Let's revise today's lesson. Leaves have 5 important parts: lamina, midrib, veins, stomata, petiole. Chlorophyll gives leaves their green color. Photosynthesis helps plants make food. Plants release oxygen. Flowers become fruits. Fruits contain seeds. Seeds grow into new plants. Plants give us food, medicine, oxygen, wood, and many other useful things. These are today's key ideas. Now let's check what you remember. Question 1. What makes leaves green? Yes, chlorophyll. Question 2. What are the tiny pores on leaves called? Correct, stomata. Question 3. Which gas do plants release during photosynthesis? Excellent, oxygen. Question 4. Which part of the leaf is flat and broad? Very good, lamina. Last question. Flowers develop into what? That's right, fruits. Excellent work today. Now when you look at any leaf, remember that it is a tiny food factory working every day. And when you eat a fruit, remember that it once started as a beautiful flower. Nature is full of amazing surprises. See you in our next science class. Goodbye, young scientists.